Kicker 46CXA18001 Mono Class D Subwoofer Amp Review. Real bass, proof that hits hard.
The Kicker 46CXA18001 CXA18001 1800-watt Mono Class D subwoofer amp is a dedicated single-channel amplifier engineered purely to drive subwoofers with precision, power, and consistent reliability inside any car audio system you are building or upgrading. It delivers 1800 watts RMS at 1 or 2 ohms, which means it pairs with virtually every subwoofer configuration imaginable without compatibility headaches or performance compromise. Think of it as the dedicated engine sitting behind your bass, the component that separates a system that casually plays music from one that physically moves you in your seat with authority. It runs efficiently through Class D architecture, stays remarkably cool under sustained load, integrates cleanly with almost any head unit through high-level FIT plus inputs, and puts crossover, bass boost, and subsonic protection directly in your hands. Imagine never dealing with distorted, underpowered, or muddy bass again.
Here are the biggest reasons this amplifier consistently earns its reputation among serious car audio builders and daily drivers alike. First, 1800 watts RMS at 1 ohm delivers genuine, measured headroom to push your subwoofers hard without the amplifier clipping, compressing, or overheating under sustained pressure at volume. Second, the variable 12 decibel low-pass crossover gives you precise filtering control between 50 and 200 Hz, ensuring only the correct frequencies reach your subwoofers, while everything else stays exactly where it belongs. Third, the fixed 24 decibel subsonic filter at 25 Hz protects your woofers from potentially damaging ultra-low frequencies that stress components without adding any audible output worth keeping. Here is where it gets genuinely interesting. The Kick EQ bass boost adds up to 6 decibels of variable low-end emphasis centered right at 40 Hz, which is precisely where chest-pounding, seat-shaking bass actually lives in real music. The FIT Plus technology accepts speaker-level inputs up to 40 volts, meaning virtually any factory head unit integrates cleanly without purchasing a separate line output converter. What does controlled, properly tuned bass feel like from the driver's seat every single day?
Picture this exact situation. You have a pair of 12-inch subwoofers wired down to 1 ohm sitting in a ported enclosure in your trunk, and your previous amplifier simply cannot keep pace with the demand. The gain is maxed, the amp runs uncomfortably hot after 20 minutes, and the bass sounds compressed and stressed rather than clean, tight, and authoritative. That is a frustrating and all too common dead end most serious builders hit at least once. Then, the Kicker 46CXA18001 goes in, and even the initial moment of doubt about tuning the controls fades quickly. The variable crossover, Kick EQ boost, and subsonic filter each clicked into place during a single focused tuning session. The bass tightened, the low end became defined and physically present rather than bloated or loose, and the amplifier stayed barely warm after an extended highway drive at real volume. One verified owner running dual R-Series 12-inch Kicker subs described being genuinely startled by how hard and cleanly the system hit immediately after installation. That reaction says everything.
After testing a few options carefully, one conclusion became completely clear and impossible to ignore. Do not just pick any mono subwoofer amplifier. Make sure it has verified 1 ohm stability with a built-in subsonic filter so you never waste your time on thermally unstable, underpowered amps that distort under real load and quietly damage your subwoofers over time again. The Kicker 46CXA18001 CXA18001 1800-watt Mono Class D subwoofer amp is CTA 2006 compliant, meaning every watt claimed is a watt genuinely measured and verified under standardized real-world test conditions. That certification matters far more than most buyers initially realize when comparing amplifiers on specification sheets.
A verified owner running this amplifier at full rated power at 1 ohm reported it working flawlessly while barely getting warm, rating it a perfect 10 out of 10 without hesitation. A car audio specialist confirmed that the crossover and subsonic filter combination allows tuning precision that protects woofers while genuinely maximizing usable output during daily driving. An industry analyst noted that Class D efficiency keeps the unit consistently cool while delivering reliable output, and the Kick EQ boost adds meaningful low-end punch without introducing muddiness at any gain setting. Which result matters most to you right now? Comment 1 for raw output power, 2 for precise tuning control, or 3 for long-term daily driving reliability.
The Kicker 46CXA18001 CXA18001 1800-watt mono Class D subwoofer amp transforms an average car audio setup into a system that physically moves you and genuinely impresses everyone who hears it. Thousands of builders and daily drivers are already running it with consistently strong results. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your specific setup perfectly. My affiliate link is in the description and pinned in the comments. You deserve bass that truly performs.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.